Greetings everyone, myself Sanket Suhagiya and with me my teammates Rithwik, Vedpathak, Bhumit, Malvi. This is our major project presentation under guidance of Professor Smita. Now we will continue with our presentation. Uh, the topic for our major project is online exam proctoring system. This automates the process of proctoring an online exam by monitoring the test taker or examinee via audio pipeline and vision pipeline. This is our basic code structure. We have the audio module, the head pose module, and the brain module detection module. So in audio module, we have developed in-house algorithms to detect speech to in-speech detection, uh, and it is also unit testable. So we can consider it as a single module that is sound. Next, we have head pose. In this, we have used OpenCV and MediaPipe and PNP algorithm to estimate the position of the head of the user. Next, we have detection module, that is the brain of our processing. This module uh, collects the key metrics of all the modules, for example, audio, head pose, and other modules. Uh, next we have the run.py that merges all the code integrates, and we will show the demonstration. Here we have Rithwik Vedpathak as our subject. Here we have Rithwik Vedpathak as a test subject. You can see the face mask is detected and drawn for visual demonstration. You can see a graph drawn on Matplotlib. On the y-axis, we have the probability if the user is indulging in malpractice, and on the x-axis, we have time, unit of time. As you can see, we have set a threshold of 70%, above which the proctor will be alerted that the user has been indulging into the malpractice. Now we will discuss about the brains of the program. As if our subject Ritwik will look straight, the cheating probability will reduce and go down. And as soon as he looks left, the probability rises, and as soon as he looks right, the similar thing happens. Now, this it is same for looking down. The audio pipeline is also active, as currently I am sitting beside him and speaking. You can see in the graph in the terminal, if you can see that the cheating, the right hand side, that one is the flag of audio cheating. It is set to 1, and if I will have some silence, it will set to 0. Uh, as you can see, it is set to 0. Now I continue speaking, it will rise. Uh, so that is it for our project, and have a nice day. Thank you.